Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic quesadillas. First, gather your ingredients: corn tortillas, a good melting cheese like Oaxaca or Monterey Jack, and your choice of protein or vegetables. Ensure your fillings are pre-cooked and seasoned to perfection. This preparation is key for a flavorful quesadilla. We'll focus on traditional methods to achieve that perfect golden crisp and gooey center. Now let's get cooking. Heat a comal or cast iron skillet over medium heat. Warm each corn tortilla for about 30 seconds per side until it becomes soft and pliable. This step is crucial for preventing cracks when folding. Add a small amount of oil or lard to the pan before placing the tortilla back down. This helps achieve that desirable golden brown crispness. It's time to fill and fold your quesadilla. Place a generous 1/4 cup of your chosen cheese on 1/2 of the warm tortilla. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of your pre-cooked filling over the cheese. Carefully fold the other half of the tortilla over, pressing gently to seal the edges. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is golden brown. Your authentic quesadillas are ready. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of Mexican crema. Enjoy the delicious combination of crispy tortilla, melted cheese, and flavorful filling. For a truly satisfying meal, pair them with a refreshing drink. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.